Today I'm going to show you how to make Muddy Buddies, or as some people call puppy chow. First thing you want to do is make sure you wash your hands. We always want to wash our hands before we begin any recipe. Take your soap, put it on both sides of your hands, front and back, wash in between your fingers, wash all the way to your wrists, making sure you get the soap, and then rinse. After we do this, we're ready to begin. You will need a 1/4 cup, a 1/3 cup, a 1 cup, a teaspoon, a spoon and a rubber scraper, a cereal bowl, and a large clear glass bowl. You will also need butter, peanut butter, chocolate chips, vanilla. You can use any flavor of rice square cereal or corn square cereal, and a powdered sugar. You need 2 tablespoons of butter. You can count the 2 tablespoons, 1 and 2, right on the wrapper, and then cut straight down. Once you have the butter cut, remember to remove the wrapper and then place it in your cereal bowl. Next, you will need to add a 1/3 cup of peanut butter. You're going to push around the sides of the container and push it in. Peanut butter does not like to go into a container, and so you have to force it in there. Use your rubber scraper, go around the sides, and press until all of the peanut butter is level with the top. It's also hard to get out, so you're going to need to scrape the sides of the cup with your rubber scraper in order to make sure you get all of the peanut butter that you can get into your cereal bowl. Once you've removed all the peanut butter, rub it across the top of the cereal bowl to make sure you removed it, and we're ready for chocolate chips. You will need a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. You can add just a couple extra if you really like chocolate, but not too many. You want to keep as close to the 1/2 cup as possible. Now I'm ready to microwave this. Put this bowl in a microwave for 1 minute. Now check your microwave because mine did not take the full minute. Mine only took about 40 seconds. So after 40 seconds, my butter was completely melted and I knew it was finished. You can use a spoon or a rubber scraper. I prefer a rubber scraper. And you're going to stir your mixture until it is completely mixed together. You should not see any melted butter or any peanut butter, but only a chocolate mixture. Occasionally, you'll see a couple of chocolate chips that don't look like they're melted, but if you press those with the rubber scraper, then they'll mix together nicely. Make sure you scrape the bottom and the sides of the bowl to get it completely mixed. Once you have your mixture completely mixed together, it's time to add your vanilla. You will need your teaspoon for this. When you measure your vanilla, do not measure it over the bowl. If you would happen to spill vanilla, you're not sure how much actually went in. So measure off to the side and then add it into the bowl. You're going to stir it very well because the vanilla is not going to want to mix with your chocolate mixture very well. So make sure you stir the sides and the bottom so that you can get all of the vanilla mixed in. And this will give it a great flavor. Next, you can either measure 1 cup 10 times, or you can use a bowl and fill it to the 10 cup mark. I don't know why I'm saying 10. I'm sorry, it's 5. So you're going to fill it with 5 cups of cereal, and it's much easier to do that by just putting it into the bowl and looking on the side of the bowl till you're 5 cups. Once you've measured it to the 5 cup line, you're going to take your chocolate mixture and you're going to you're going to pour it over your cereal mixture. This is where it's going to take some work. You want to make sure that you completely cover the cereal with all of the chocolate. You do not want any yellow of the cereal showing. So you really have to gently continue tossing it. Once you have it completely covered, then you can add in a cup of powdered sugar. There are 2 ways to do this. If you'd like to put it over the bowl, you just pour it in and then begin to stir it with your rubber scraper. But I think this is extra hard. The easiest way is to take a large plastic Ziploc bag and then pour your puppy chow into the bag. This is also good if you have somebody else to help you, because it's a little bit hard to pour it all in there and sometimes it can spill. You can use your rubber scraper or your spoon, and you're gently going to coax it into the bag until you have everything included. If you'd like to put the cereal in before you add the powdered sugar, that may also save a little bit of mess. Make sure you scrape the sides of the bowl to get everything into the bag. And then once you have it in the bag, you're going to make sure you seal it shut. If you don't seal it shut, then it might explode everywhere as you shake it. So I'm going to seal this shut, and then I'm going to shake it gently to combine all of my powdered sugar, and then it is finished. You have Muddy Buddies or Puppy Chow.